Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit our orange-gray preset for Lightroom Mobile. So let's get started. First, go to Lights. Exposure to plus 0.50. Contrast to minus 70. Highlights to minus 50. Shadows to plus 60. Whites to minus 30. Blacks to plus 30. Now go to Curve. Select the RGB channel and follow the instructions on the screen. Select the red channel and follow the instructions on the screen. Select the green channel and follow the instructions on the screen. Select the blue channel and follow the instructions on the screen. Now go to Color. Increase temp to plus 5. Vibrance to plus 5. Saturation to minus 10. Press on the small color wheel. Select red color. Hue to plus 5. Saturation minus 50. Luminance plus 40. Select orange color. Saturation to minus 10. Select yellow color. Saturation all down to minus 100. Luminance plus 75. Select green color. Bring saturation all way down to minus 100. Luminance to plus 85. Select aqua color. Saturation to minus 90. Luminance to plus 20. Select blue color. Saturation to minus 85. Luminance to +50. Select purple color. Saturation to -85. Luminance to +40. Select magenta color. Saturation -80. Now select effects. Increase texture to +20. Clarity +35. Now scroll down and select split toning. Follow the instructions on the screen. Balance +40. The process is now complete. Let's save it as a preset. Press on the preset icon. Press on the 3 dots. Select Create Preset. Create a new preset group if desired. Then name the preset as you want. Press the check to save the preset. Now let's test the preset in other photos. You can download this preset for free or pay what you want. You will find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to support my channel.